And for me, the dissecting out of the blood has been a major breakthrough for integrating my own nervous system, which has been through a lot of trauma, but not doing it through the trauma, doing it through the life process and force.
You said the blood, your focus on the blood helped you with this. Can you say more about that?
Yeah, I shared a little bit yesterday. The blood is not the first thing to develop. The blood is quite late, but it's earlier than the nervous system. And the hemoglobin in the blood makes it heavy. Unless we're anemic, we've lost that heaviness. I know I've tried to give blood for years, and I never could because it always floated until I could find how to find the red blood cell that would give it weight, that would root me to this earth planet. So blood. One of the ways we explore it, Jennifer, is to take balloons and fill them with water, and have balloons that don't have water, just air. And that's a wonderful one that help us feel ourselves, that resonate back. Can you feel that you have a water balloon in one hand and an air balloon in the other? And so that we have this range of incredible lightness and then this weight. It calms the nervous system. And the nerves follow the blood.